Hello, friends. Today, we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 20. Let's start with number 1. 1 apple. Now we have 2 oranges. Can you count with me? 1, 2. 3 balloons flying high in the blue sky. 1, 2, 3. 4 cute kittens. They're meowing hello to you. 5 shiny stars twinkle in the night. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 pencils for drawing beautiful pictures. 7 chirping birds on the tree, singing together. Yum! 8 ice creams. Which one is your favorite flavor? 9 balloons for a big surprise party. 10 friends jumping and laughing. What a fun day! 11 storybooks ready to read. 12 flowers blooming in the sunshine. 13 toy cars ready to race. Vroom! 14 happy children showing their numbers. This is 15. Great job! You learned numbers from 1 to 20. Let's say them all together. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 20. See you next time.